All right, so we got a 2014 GMC Sierra pickup truck, Chevrolets. You know, most of these models are the same. Daggum radio won't go off. It won't connect to Bluetooth, anything like that. Radio won't really play. But when you turn the keys off, take them out, and open the door, power still stays on the radio. So what we're going to do to correct that and fix that little issue, so we'll go over here passenger side. This panel right here will come off. I got my no prop tools with me, but took some electrical tape, put it around my screwdriver tip because I don't want to mess anything up. And you kind of wedge it in there if you can. And it's a little not quite that easy with one hand, but see, wedge it in. Get a grip in here. Damn, cuss a little bit. There we go. You can tell this thing hadn't been on before. All right, so take that out. You got what, 5 clips, 6 clips, 2 here, 2 here, and those. You look at your fuses, you got a 20 amp right here. Should be the stereo. Let's pull it. All right, radio's off. So we're gonna give it like 60 seconds and then we're gonna plug it back in. Okay, that's not 60 seconds. Fuse probably just popped because I didn't wait long enough. All right. All right, so now you're gonna have to.
The extra channels let you discover.
So radio works. Let's cut it off. Reach over here and pull the door handle. And we have succeeded in doing what we're gonna do. So radio now has to reset. You have to reprogram your stuff. Put your panel back in place. Line everything up. Good as new. And that's how we do that. It should work on most all these models. GMC, Chevrolet. I know it'll work on. That's how it works on the trucks. It should work the same way on any of the vehicle models.